friends, welcome back to my channel Beauties from this side Veronica, and in today's video I'm going to do this kind of makeup from my last thumbnail. All of you have watched my video on that how to get spotless and crystal clear skin. If you haven't watched that video, just go and watch it now. And that video, on that video's thumbnail actually, I had done something this kind of makeup and I got many requests from my beauties that please tell us how to do this bright pink lips kind of makeup. So I am here in front of you guys that I'm going to do this makeup for you. So without delaying, let's get straight jump into the makeup tutorial. After making this messy bun, because in this summers I just love to have bun, so I just did this messy bun, and the first product which I'm going to apply on my face is moisturizer as a primer. And for this, here I'm taking this Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer. Here I'm taking little amount of it, as you can see. After applying moisturizer, now I'm going to use this NYV concealer to conceal my pimple marks. As you can see, I'm having a little bit of pimple marks, so I'm going to conceal them. With this buffing brush, I'm going to blend it out. For the foundation, here I'm taking this L'Oreal True Match foundation. I'm in the shade 2.RC, you can see. So friends, after foundation, now I'm going to fill my brows, and for my brows here I'm taking this Miss Clear Black eyeshadow. You can take any brand of eyeshadow or eyebrow powder or anything to fill your brows. So now I'm going to fill my brows. For the eyeshadows, I'm going to apply this colourbar blush, and this is like a 3-in-1. You can apply this on your lips. This is like a matte, not a matte actually, it is like a velvety liquid lipstick which you can apply on your eyelid, on your cheek and on your lips. So I'm going to apply this one on my eyelid. With the help of my finger, I'm going to blend it. For the mascara, here I'm using this Lakme Iconic Supergirl mascara. This mascara is just warming. So I'm going to apply it on my eyelashes. Now friends, I'm going to contour my nose, and for the nose contouring, here I'm taking this Amsterdam bronzer stick, or you can say brown contouring stick. So here it is. Now for the cheeks friends, here I'm taking that same colourbar velvety liquid lipstick. It's in the shade actually a beautiful pink. So I'm going to apply this on on my cheeks too. Last but not the least, and my favorite step, applying liquid lipstick. And for this, here I'm taking this bright pink kind of shade. This is from NY Bay liquid lipstick, and I'm going to apply this on my lips. So So friends, hope you have enjoyed this video, hope you have liked this makeup. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Do follow me on Instagram, and guys, if you have any requested video, if you want me to do any type of makeup, just comment it in the comment section. I love you so much guys. See you in my next video. Bye and take care.